G'day, Steve here. These are the heel protectors that you're looking at. These are an amazing little device that's specifically designed to stop people developing wounds on the back of the heel from pressure by laying in bed for too long, or shearing related wounds from spasming with the legs. These are unbelievable because the wool fibre will move with the skin tissue and it takes away any shearing problems that normally occur. These heel protectors open up perfectly so that it's so easy to get your foot in. Like all of our footwear is designed for ease of use and ease to be able to get into. These things are invaluable for anyone that is suffering with diabetes or heart conditions where circulation is a problem getting into the feet. By warming the foot back up to 37 degrees centigrade, that helps to bring the blood flow back, and that's what we're looking for. I know you're going to love these. They're going to help you greatly. They come in a pair. Get into them. Take care out there.